What is the habit? The pandas live in areas where abundant bamboo, more specifically in the mountains of southwest China. How long they can live? The pandas live about 50 years in captivity, can live up to 30 years. What is your favorite food? His favorite food is bamboo and can eat up to 88 kilos. As the panda behaves. The pandas are solitary animals, except during the mating season, spend their life mainly on the ground, but climb trees when possessed by dogs. Type of panda tree. Three are three types of panda: the panda of Sichuan, of Kintin, and red panda. Made weight. They grow to a height of 4-5 feet, can weigh 100 pounds or more. Populate. There are only about 160 to 3,000 pandas in the world, thanks to the enormous effort of conservation over this number are still seen to increase. Populate. There are only about 106 to 3,000 pandas in the world, thanks to the enormous effort of conservation over this number are stated to increase.